the importance of learning English and how English fantasy plays a English speaking skills. Perhaps we all know that English is an international language. It is a language of science, technology and education. So for going for higher studies in abroad and for doing a good job, for business purposes also, and most importantly to communicate with the people across the world, English is a must. So learning English is not a choice anymore, rather it's a necessity. Commonly we all face a problem, which is we can understand English, we can write in English, we can read English, but when it comes to speaking, that time we hesitate. It is because of the lack of practice. So in this case, English fantasy plays a very important role in improving our speaking fluency. For example, in English fantasy there is a rule where if we talk with each other in Bangla, that time we need to pay 10 taka fine in level 1 and level 2, and gradually it increases when we are promoted into higher levels. So paying fine is like an investment for us. It is not a bad thing. And also English fantasy provides us an outdoor classes where we make one partner and we communicate with each other in English, and by this our speaking fluency becomes better. And also all the mentors and all the teachers of English fantasy, they are really great. They teach us like friends and they guide us like our parents. And I want to mention two of my favorite teachers who are Farid sir, my mentor, and also Azmi sir, who is my main teacher. They guide us in a proper way through which we can improve our English. And also, from my perspective, I want to suggest English fantasy from all the platforms that are available. Because for a learner, environment is very important. So, English fantasy provides us that environment. So, why don't we choose English fantasy? And also I want to thank Rajan sir for introducing us such an institution where it gives a really good environment where we are in talking with each other in English 24 hours. And also thank you all for giving me the opportunity today to speak in front of all of you. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.